Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can send money from UK to Bangladesh, and this is actually pretty simple. At first, what you need to do is wherever it says sending to, you want to select Bangladesh over here, just like so, and click on this one. Now, once it loads up, what you'll need to do is click on send money right over here, and then you want to click on new recipient if it's a new recipient, and then you put in the amount of USD, and then delivery method is how the other person in Bangladesh would be receiving it. Let's say if it's mobile money, then mobile money. If it's bank deposit, then bank deposit. And then selection payment method is how the money you will be sending. Is it from your debit card, credit card, or bank transfer? So debit card and credit card, it takes only 25 minutes. Bank account takes 3 to 6 days. And then you hit on continue. From there, you need to put in the details of their bank account, whatever bank account they have, and then just select that bank account. And then from here, you need to put in all of their details. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.